What do these buildings have in common? The Jet's vacuum sanitary solution that saves substantial amounts of water, money, and the environment. Our eco-efficient vacuum sanitary system uses air instead of water to transport sewage, reducing water consumption and sewage volume by up to 90%. With smaller pipes and the ability to lift wastewater vertically, vacuum plumbing provides unrivaled design flexibility and is the ideal solution both for new builds and renovations. Buildings equipped with separate pipes for wastewater can efficiently reclaim greywater for reuse. The use of vacuum toilets not only reduces water flushing but also decreases sewage volume, making the blackwater highly concentrated and the handling more efficient. As cities struggle with overloaded infrastructure, both water conservation and reducing sewage is more crucial than ever. A flexible solution that addresses both present and future needs. Change the numbers, change the world.